Noah Grundon, manufacturing engineer. I've been with Premier for about 9 years. The company was founded over 30 years ago by Marlon Horst. His son now owns it. And we do ultra high-end residential cabinetry, millwork, from closets to kitchens, anything in between. So we offer ultra high-end residential cabinetry with integrated metal and powder coat metal finishes, any finish for wood, from stains, paints, and glazes, high gloss to low sheen. And we ship from Maine to Florida all the way out to California. So at Premier, we deal with a network of about 30 to 40 designers. They send us their elevations, their ideas. We turn them into reality. So once a designer sends in their drawings, we convert everything to 3D CAD. Then it goes out to our cutting, sub-assembly departments. They make all the pieces and the parts. Then it'll move into our assembly departments that bring everything together, then into finishing and out to hardware and shipping. So we have 6 buildings. 110 and 112 are both dedicated to cabinetry. So from veneer to solid wood cabinetry. And then we have the metal shop, which one of your collectors is in, that does welding, fabricating, polishing, graining. We have the powder coat facility and metal finishing facility. They both handle our metal finishes. So from modeling to powder coat to reactive stains that we do on metal, and then a couple warehouses that house all of our inventory from plywood, solid, and veneer. What we pride ourselves in is taking a project from the conceptual stage to reality, and we control every process in between. We do all of our own veneering, all of our own finishing work. We lay up our own solids. We make all of our doors, drawer boxes, anything that goes into your cabinetry we make, and we control that process. That's one of the reasons we brought in the powder coat collector, is we wanted to control our metal finishes better, and that collector helped us accomplish that. The metal collector in the weld shop is helping us control our processes by improving operator safety and comfort. And then in all of Premier, we really enjoy the craftsmanship. We try and bring in all the latest technologies we can, but we never want to lose the craft and the artisanry that goes into it from each of our employees. So at Premier, we're very big on safety. One of the reasons we have one of the CMAX collectors is we had a dust collector fire in our metal shop, our old internal collector. It had the Delta Prime filters. They did their jobs. You guys make those special for us for that little internal collector. And then we went to Mitch at Imperial through Hermit's Machine, got the CM8 spec'd out, and that has been doing very well for us for the weld fume and metal and chip dust we have. So our sales rep Mitch at Imperial, we contacted him through Hermance, and then he took us through the design process, the ordering, the speccing. Our metal collector actually has a larger horsepower fan, so we can keep a higher static pressure in the lines and a higher flow velocity. So one of our CMAX collectors is a CM10. That's used in our powder coat and metal finishing facility. We have it hooked up to our powder coat booth and our sandblast room. It filters out all the ambient dust and debris out of both of those booths. We came to Imperial through Hermance Machine. They recommended you guys. We interviewed a couple other well-known brands, but Imperial seemed to have the most thought out and well-built collector. Through that process, Mitch helped us out, speccing out the CM10, doing the dust calculations. We ran through ductwork, and then we set it up ourselves. In the metal shop, we weld steel, stainless, and we braze brass. With the stainless fumes and always returning inside, Mitch at Imperial recommended a HEPA filter housing that was custom fabricated for our needs. We have a tight area, so they made it fit our area very well. Both collectors have been working very well. The CM10 I think we've had now for about 3 years, and we haven't done a filter change yet. It has the Delta Prime filters in it. The metal collector was just installed last year, and as soon as you flip it on, if anyone's welding, the fumes go right away.